Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to save Canva design as PDF. So first, when you open your Canva, as you can see here on your screen, now for example, we want to go right here on the search box and we want to type right here resume, and then we'll find the templates right here. So I'll just want to choose a sample template. Then you will go to the editing page right over here. So for example, I want to zoom in and try to change the name into the channel's name. For example, I want to change it to Fast Fix. And then all you need to do here to save this as PDF. So just click on the share button at the top right of your screen, and then you'll find some options here. And if you hover your mouse at the bottom, you'll find download. So just click this option. And then from here, you need to choose the file type. So you just click on this drop down menu if you want to choose the PDF standard, or if you want PDF print, it is best for printing. Now from here, just click on this PDF standard, best for documents and emailing. So just click this option, and then you will find an option if you want flattened PDF, include notes, or save download settings. You just want to click on this download button, and once you've done downloading this PDF file or this resume as a PDF, you'll find that the download button right there at the top, and just click on the open icon right here to show up this PDF file. So that's how you basically save Canva design as PDF. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.